NVIDIA is turning heads yet again, giving us an exciting sneak peek at their RTX 50 series Founders Edition cards. But that's not all, because according to a new leak from a moderator on the PC Games hardware forums, the RTX 50 series GPUs might see a limited launch, making them even more elusive and highly sought after. As if that weren't enough, ZDNet Korea is reporting that NVIDIA is gearing up to release the Rubin AI architecture later this year, potentially dominating the competition and setting a new standard for AI-driven performance. In today's video, we're diving into all the latest NVIDIA leaks, news, and rumors, so stick around because you won't want to miss a single detail. Welcome back to LA Electronics, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in PC tech news and leaks, especially when it comes to GPUs and CPUs. If you're serious about staying ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you're always in the loop. Also be sure to follow me on X so you can stay up to date on everything that's going on with the channel. NVIDIA has unveiled a treasure trove of details about their upcoming RTX 50 series Founders Edition or FE cards, delivering exciting news for PC enthusiasts. During their Editor's Day on January 8, 2025, NVIDIA revealed that the highly anticipated RTX 5090 and RTX 5080 Founders Edition cards will officially launch on January 30th, 2025, while the RTX 5070 and 5070 Ti FEs are set to follow in February. What sets the 5070 Ti FE apart is its lack of a reference design, signaling it would only be available as a custom card with modifications to the standard NVIDIA blueprint. The flagship RTX 5090 Founders Edition is stealing the spotlight, with an eye-catching dual-slot design and just two fans. Cooling this 575 watt beast might seem impossible, but NVIDIA's innovative double flow-through thermal design makes it possible. Both the front and rear fans push air directly through the radiator fins, aided by a compact PCB layout and strategic use of ribbon cables to prevent airflow obstruction. Plus, rumors hint that NVIDIA might use liquid metal to keep temperatures in check. Under the hood, the RTX 5090 is a monster with 170 streaming multiprocessors, 3,352 AI tera operations per second of FP4 compute, 105 teraflops of FP32 graphics performance, and 32 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory on a 512-bit interface with a staggering 1,792 gigabytes per second bandwidth. All of this comes at a hefty price tag of $1,999, which positions it as a powerhouse for high-end gamers and creators rather than casual users. The RTX 5080 Founders Edition shares many design cues with its bigger sibling, but scales down to 360 watts TGP, with 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory at 960 gigabytes per second of bandwidth, 84 streaming multiprocessors, and 1,800 AI tera operations per second of FP4 compute. It offers impressive performance in a more compact, efficient package. The RTX 5070 Ti boasts 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory, 70 streaming multiprocessors, and a 300 watt TGP, while the 5070 scales down further with 12 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory, 48 streaming multiprocessors, and a 250 watt TGP. Despite modest gen-on-gen improvements in traditional performance, NVIDIA's focus on AI-driven frame generation ensures that the 50 series delivers a significant leap in gaming experiences. What do you think of NVIDIA's RTX 50 series Founders Edition cards? Are the prices justified or do they feel a bit steep? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like the video. Stay tuned as there's more NVIDIA news and leaks coming your way. If you're loving the content and want to help keep it coming, consider buying me a coffee. Your support fuels each video, whether it's the latest tech news, detailed repair guides, or honest reviews. Every coffee you buy goes right back into the channel, helping me upgrade gear, improve the setup, and stay energized to bring you the best in PC tech news and leaks. Whether it's one coffee or a few, each $5 brew makes a huge difference, and I can't thank you enough for keeping this channel going strong. Your support truly means everything to me. Getting your hands on NVIDIA's latest Blackwell consumer GPUs, particularly the GeForce RTX 5090 and RTX 5080, could prove to be a real challenge at launch. According to Poker Clock, a well-known leaker on the PC Games hardware forum, NVIDIA may take unprecedented control over stock distribution, deciding how much inventory goes to specific retailers. This means the first wave of RTX 50 series will likely face limited availability, leaving not just regular consumers but even resellers out of luck. For those hoping to snag a card on day one, prepare for disappointment, as NVIDIA's strategy seems aimed at combating scalpers, but it could make it nearly impossible to secure these GPUs at MSRP. Reports suggest that some retailers like Mind Factory and Alternate in Germany might get a larger larger share of stock, but that won't guarantee widespread availability. NVIDIA's rumored use of digital systems to allocate GPUs is another hurdle, as bots could still exploit these systems, leaving legitimate buyers frustrated. The reasons behind NVIDIA's tight grip on distribution remain unclear, but speculation points to overall lower stock levels for this launch compared to previous ones. Flagship models like the GeForce RTX 5090 are expected to be especially scarce, making them a hot commodity for enthusiasts willing to pay an extra premium above MSRP. While this strategy may limit resellers from hoarding inventory, it could leave the average gamer feeling the pinch. This limited availability could create an opportunity for AMD to shine with their upcoming RDNA 4 GPUs. If AMD can deliver competitive performance and maintain better stock levels, they might sway potential buyers away from NVIDIA, but that's a story for another day. What's your take on NVIDIA's rumored approach to the RTX 50 series launch and their selective retailer strategy? Is this a smart move or a frustrating roadblock for gamers? Let me know in the comments, and if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button. NVIDIA's next-gen Rubin architecture is poised to disrupt the AI landscape sooner than anticipated, with trial production now expected to begin by the second half of 2025. This acceleration comes as SK hynix, NVIDIA's key partner, ramps up its timeline to supply HBM4 memory earlier than planned. According to ZDNet Korea, SK hynix is targeting HBM4 sample shipments as early as June 2025, with mass production set for Q3. That is a full quarter ahead of the original schedule. This change is reportedly at NVIDIA's request, driven by their aggressive roadmap to outpace competitors. HBM4 is shaping up to be a game changer in AI performance by integrating memory and logic semiconductors into a single package. This eliminates the need for traditional packaging technologies, which results in enhanced performance efficiency, reduced latency, and speeds up to 6.4 gigabits per second. With 24 GB and 32 GB layers, HBM4 represents a significant leap over its predecessors. NVIDIA's exclusive access to this cutting-edge memory puts them miles ahead in the race to dominate the AI market. The Rubin AI architecture itself will feature TSMC's advanced 3nm process and CoWoS packaging, with a sharp focus on achieving industry-leading performance per watt. As AI workloads grow exponentially in complexity, NVIDIA is aiming to tackle the unstable power demands of current systems head-on. The Rubin AI lineup could arrive as early as late 2025, potentially obliterating the competition as rival solutions are still quarters away from hitting the market. What's your take on NVIDIA's aggressive push to launch Rubin ahead of schedule? Is this a smart strategy to maintain their leadership in AI, or could it lead to unexpected hurdles? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button as it really helps out the channel. Curious about my epic PC disaster story and the nightmare of constant blue screens of deaths? Click the card in the top right corner to hear all the chaotic details, and while you're at it, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss out on more exciting content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.